Let's have a quick look at work allocation, short interval control. We've brought into the system all our forecasts, all our orders. These have been automatically flushed through to production schedules, capacity modules, the forecasting, relative information. We've dealt with it in our demand planning environment. We have a MRP module which tells us what we need when we need it. Now we also have now we've got to do the work. So our production scheduler will be able to say, okay, well, let's go and let's use the same example for the 15th of July. Busy site, final assembly area, and line 3, generate the SIC. What do we have to do on this day? So we've got to make these products, that much of them. That's how long it's going to take us to make. At that rate, we need so many people, and there's our target weight. So these documents and these forms can now form the basis of our shop floor control, hour by hour, out there in the working environment. So as we go along, we're in, let's pretend that we're now making these products, and we're out on the shop floor, whether we use online data capture, not online data capture, but tablets or shop floor machines or paperwork. It's kind of irrelevant as long as it gets into the system at some stage, as soon as it can. We are going to make some own label product. That's what we've had to do. We're doing another widget. Today's date we'll pretend is the 15th of July. We've managed to run for I don't know, 65 minutes. We plan to make 1,500 units. We made 1,500 units. Fantastic. The average rate was whatever it was, and we had 13 people doing that. We can add some comments there if we want. We can also manually consume componentry or ingredients or materials if we so wish. We can add that in there. It's not necessary. It helps for certain environments where we don't necessarily need a bill of materials, maybe some simpler sort of manufacturing environments or non-manufacturing environments. So that is another feature. Any adverse events? Did we have any downtime events or waste events? And the quantities thereof, time and or kilograms and or widgets. In this case, no. We submit that, and that should now tell us immediately how we did. So it's a green face, so a positive result. 30 pounds more positive than standard. We've produced 1,500 widgets using 13 people, and good result. So this immediately is now available to a number of areas. This has now updated all the dashboards, operationally, business, financial, what have you. It's also flushed back, and it has adjusted our stock movement because it would have accounted for any bill of material ingredients or components or materials that consisted of making that finished good product. So that would have deducted those quantities from our live stock levels, and we shall deal with the dashboard environment.